Sa mga girly na American resident.
Yo, okay, what's up, what's up?
What's up?
Before anything else, I would like to say
thank you.
Hi and hi, hello.
Thank you.
Thank you very much to all solid supporter and to all my sponsor. You know,
This is my solid.
This my solid sponsor is thank you so much. And my daughter and son, Eric J. and Mason Toscorpos, thank you so much for being absent today.
Hoy! Nabunganga nyo! Tahiin nyo! Matutulog ako, nagising ako sa bunganga nyo! Kung ayaw matulog, magpatulog kayo!
You know, his classmates. Alright, yes, baby. And my brother Kabungot, I help.
What is this one?
I help my vlog.
Cleanliness this one?
Yes, this line, on the line.
On the line, ha? Oy!
Hey, this one. You know?
It's okay. Is the sagbot inside?
It's okay. It's okay.
Amoy sunog sinain!
Ang aga-aga baka siyansihin ko yung gilagid mo dyan.
Why does the sun you
Ay, try. It's okay. Okay. This one, the other line. You know?
pass line? go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play.
Yun ang may line is
You testing and you pupukining. Try na po.
I mean Sangyo.
Dapat dito na lang eh. In here in the day, in the table, in the chair because
Your luck.
the germ is going inside.
Sit down in there. You know?
Ha? Negative?
Malakas na kayo. Ito kahit daw do. Not.
Malakas
Ah,
nga.
lakas naman to sobra.
Malakas. Pagtingin ni kuya, umbis sa laot, malakas.
Pero pass. Very strong. Other side is oblong. Two side. You know?
Two side? What two side? Two side?
Two side. This one side. This one side is oval.
Side by side?
No, two side. This side.
This side and this side? What will gonna do? Side side?
You know.
Ah!
Circle.
We will kill the side by side.
Okay. Side by side, I circle. Two side.
Two sides say, we will kill two side. From this side, over this side.
Nothing there. There.
This side to over this side.
No. There in,
Just start in here. Side by side.
okay.
Circle, kill the side.
Yes. There. Alright. You wanna husky? Husky. Other side.
Huh? Okay, is there?
Alright, yes baby.
Okay. I'm done for the first round. How about the second round?
You know, this one.
Side by side.
Yes. Let it be, let it be, let it be.
Okay. This is the one.
We're gonna my, this one is your to, you know, it's my epoxy.
Lapis pin?
Really?
White pin? My shirt is pang lakaw.
What? What is nakaw?
Pang walking distance.
That's right.
Hindi fix.
Only my epoxy. Because it's nothing epoxy. Okay. You know, this one. That's right.
Very nice IC. The other one.
Yes. Other side.
There is the one. My shirt. This is not for working. This is for traveling.
Violation.
Balik mo na ang shirt. Dumihan.
Wala.
Wala, nahigit lang. Labot ko.
Oh. Shit. It's rainy fall. Oh my God.
will stop it first. Because green rain is
Go away.
coming in. It will coming out.
Oh no, wrong rain is go away.
Marine is getting stronger. We need to evacuate for the sake of our tools. Yes, baby.
I can stop loving you. Hey! Okay. Back to barracks. Because is rain go away. You know, rain go away. Come again another day.
The rain is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Cow is very busy visiting in your YouTube channel because I'm low, very low. Oh no, it's a flying fish. The other. That's right. Oh, nothing to say. The day she left. Oh. Father, that's he. What time is this? Oh,
Ano sa mais?
sweet corn.
Right.
You know?
Ano din eh? Sabi, luluto? Mais? Lulutuan ba? Gulay?
Oh, it's very delicious. I'm going back to Massachusetts. It's very fresh. Oh no. The rain is falling down. Down, bird is falling down. Falling down. Oh. Sweet corn.
I think there is something inside in this tomato.
Mercury.
Kasi Idol.
You know Idol Japper?
Gusto mo pa shout out si Sangkay Macho magpalipad sana.
Yan pala yung kinukuha sa akin. Sa'yo pala ang din bibigay. Jomar.
Sleeping bed. Idol Japper.
Sa loob yun, i-edit. Sa'yo rin pala ibibigay.
Sa loob kasi Sangkay Macho. Nandito na ako.
Sa'yo rin pala i-dadalhin. Magpalipad ka na. Kaya na shout out.
You know Macho Man? Shout out.
I see.
Macho
Let's see.
Man.
There is an easy.
Oh, a little one.
Easy? What
I know.
easy? Kaya.
Nasaan doon sa Sangkay?
Oy,
Idol Maroko sa loob eh.
I can't stop loving you.
We cannot disturb our big boss if the big boss is inside, not outside.
Busy.
It's very busy because I'm
Sangkay lang na sarap.
editing. Editing is under control.
We first eat because it's gutom na.
It's very hungry na.
Sino may sabi?
It's very hungry.
Spy. Spy.
No. It's very
Shout out this boy.
You just relax and take it easy because not all the time we will need to
Nothing more.
so what is that? We need to follow the rules and regulations.
Yes.
If jumper sniper is in the outside, it's okay. But if inside, not okay. Oh, okay?
That's right.
We will wait for the time comes. If the bush is outside,
Yes.
we will not disturb, huh?
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes. Basta ko yes lang. Yes. Yes, sige. Alright. Sabi na. Yes, alright.
Oh, yes, baby. All right. Okay.
But if
But
someone
wait lang,
is
ah.
wanted to super chat there, okay? It's
Okay.
okay.
It's.
Very okay.
Hey, harap. I wanna come in.
Yes. Harap.
Why? Where are you now?
Alright.
Alright.
Where are you now?
Alright.
Sige, sige.
Alright.
Alright, where are you now? Alright, baby.
You know? Bye-bye. See you later.
Oras na ni Chong Luis, Chong Luis ng Bukana, tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Luis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-fishing, mag-adventure tayo, mamangka with Idol Chong. Kasamang Idol Jopper at ka-Sword family, doon sa Fortune Island, mamasyal with family. Pagkagandang tanawin, it's so beautiful to see. Oras na ni Chong Luis, Chong Luis ng Bukana, tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Luis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-follow na kay Chong Luis. Saan man sa mundo, mag-subscribe na kayo. Chong, 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 Chong Luis. Chong, Chong, Chong Luis. Mag-subscribe na kayo. It's Chong Luis time. Oras na ni Chong Luis, Chong Luis ng Bukana, tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Luis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-fishing, mag-adventure tayo, mamangka with Idol Chong. Kasamang Idol Jopper at ka-Sword family, doon sa Fortune Island, mamasyal with family. Pagkagandang tanawin, it's so beautiful to see. Oras na ni Chong Luis, Chong Luis ng Bukana,
Thank you so much.
sama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Luis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-follow na kay Chong Luis. Saan man sa mundo, mag-subscribe na kayo. Chong, 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 Chong Luis. Chong, 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 Chong Luis. Mag-subscribe na kayo.
In other one.
Yung parang sabi nila
Parang pagkakaalam ko yung parang yung iba ang tingin ang kalukulo ang ay ikaw yan sige bungot guys nagkakameron niya ng knowledge about sa YouTube kung paano gawin diba pero kung tutuusin naman gawin hindi pa bungot ang mag-istis ng kahoy
kasi dati ako talaga nag-ask
sa'yo pala desisyon ako ano dati
hindi kasi ako talaga
helper
labor kay Papa dati. Bata pa ako yung nahasa sa trabaho ng construction. Lahat ng siguro yung skill ni Papa, hindi naman lahat, pero I have some many things learned. Part of working just like a construction. Yeah. Power tools. Trabaho din ako sa
Really?
Oh, kita mo. Chong, look at the eyebrow.
Okay.
That's part of your...
Yeah. This is my part of my job.
Yeah.
Where you can learn and live peacefully forever.
Oh, Chong, tutukan mo lang. Tutukan mo, sayang.
Faithfully! Peacefully?
Yeah, ang sinasabi nga nila, ano daw, karma. Karma daw ito.
Sino mo sabi?
Yung iba dyan, nagkakarma-karma daw. Sabi ko sa sarili mo. Hindi. Hindi po ito karma. Ito po ay kakahulugan na ikaw ay isang masipag na tao. Kasi hindi ka magkakaroon ng sugat kung hindi ka masipag na tao. Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng kalyo kung hindi ka masipag na tao.
Really?
Natingin din siya sa kalyo nga. Tunay naman. Kasi siyempre, kung pagkulan niya, tingnan mo kalyo niya. Bukol pa. Kasi mahilig po sa mga mabigat-bigat na.
Mahilig ka sa mga gawain ng bahay.
Kaya sa ako ang naka-adapt lahat ng mga anong ipapa sa construction. Not totally all, but halos
May
lahat.
knowledge ka about sa mga ganyan part.
No, Pastor.
At least maganda na share mo yan sa mga viewers mo.
Hindi ko lang siya nagagamit kasi pagkatapos ko ng high school, nag-college ako, pag-uwi ako sa bahay, nag-a-assist ako kay Papa, nagle-labor ako. Pero after ng college ako, sumakay ako ng barko, nag-trial ng gano'n, hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Kasi
You know, in
ko na ako eh. Pero
entertain?
yung pagka-mekaniko ko, nagagamit ko sa barko.
Sa barko.
Mekaniko naman ako doon. Pagdating ko ng Manila, nag-apply ako, nag-technician.
Oh, on the other side. Yes, alright. Other side. Circle.
Oo. Hati na tayo. Papayos. Ha?
This is the one.
Okay. Other one.
See?
Oh, the other one naman.
Last. I
You know is my
This is the last one.
the last.
last.
Oh, very nice actually. The last one na to, the last one.
Hey guys, ingat tayo yung darating ng the big one. Ano?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 pieces. Tomorrow morning, I will my foundation. This is a mother foundation. Anyone? This one, mother foundation.
Okay, masakit na naman?
Like, so very kind.
May gagawin ka.
You know?
Ayusin mo muna.
Tite Au is here along the way in Cavite, inside, you know.
Maawa na kayo sa cellphone ko yan. Titawakan mo ba kami maggulat pala?
Alright, yes baby. Tomorrow morning, I shall return.
Uwi muna kami at
You know, may... Alright.
Yung cellphone kagano'n. Kagano'n na. Malalaglag eh.
Sinuot ko na.
kung nagkatabi kayo ni Nikas, malasig ka mo kanila.
You know, idol is... You know, thank you so much and very much to all my viewers. I love you many more, and please support to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe. Thank you so much, and I love you.
It's Chong Louis time. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-fishing, mag-adventure tayo, mamangka with Idol Chong. Kasamang Idol Jopper at Kasoward family. Doon sa Fortune Island, mamasyal with family. Magagandang tanawin, it's so beautiful to see. Oras na ni Chong Louis, Chong Louis ng Bukana. Tayo'y magsama-sama, mag-adventure with Chong Louis. Sa karagatan, kay gandang pagmasdahan, mag-follow na kay Chong Louis. Saan man sa mundo, mag-subscribe na kayo. Chong Louis. Chong Louis. Mag-subscribe na kayo.